Hey everybody, it's Neil. Let's check out what we got here from Casper. Casper the Friendly Ghost, I guess. I don't know. I think it's Casper the Bedding Company, since it says something like King, Cow King, something or other on it. Let's see what it is. Okay. Ah, going to be a fluffy cover. Is there an easy way to open it? There is not. Ah, there is. Here. There we go. Let's check this out. See how fluffy and soft and wonderful and squishy it really is. Ooh, feel it. It's like a down kind of feeling thing. Let's see what it is here. This is the don't remove unless you're the owner. You know, you're actually allowed to remove these things. And then here is the thing for it. It says King, Cow King down alternative duvet. So for those of us like me who are allergic to down, this will be nice and comfy. And it is soft and comfy. So let's open it up here a little bit. Let's see, it's got the little C on it for Casper. It's got the little hooks on it. I think this is where you put it inside the duvet cover and then it hooks on somehow maybe. Yeah, it's got like a few hooks all over it. So, in the corners too. So it's gonna be it. So I don't know if there's much to show because once I get it in the duvet cover, you're not looking at it anymore. But this is what it is. So it's very cool, nice and soft, feels good. I'm excited, so thumbs up from me. Links in the description, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.